हाय, ऑलरेडी एक पेंडेमिक चल रहा है and there is another one in the line. It's not a medical pandemic, it's an emotional pandemic caused by the medical pandemic called corona. कोरोना की वजह से बहुत सारा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है क्योंकि हम घर में बैठे हैं, घर में बैठने की आदत नहीं है, बैठे बैठे फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं। फिर फैमिली के साथ वी नॉट यूज टू स्पेंडिंग सो मच टाइम, वहाँ भी फाइट है। ये सब बातें मैंने अभी रिसेंटली एक वीडियो में करी। दैट इज़ राइट, आई टॉक्ड दैट इमोशनल इम्बैलेंस इज़ बिकमिंग वेरी 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 बिग प्रॉब्लम फॉर टुमारो। I do online meditation sessions in the morning, in the evening. I have my YouTube channel, उसके ऊपर मैं करता हूँ। I'm a master's in psychology and I'm doing my PhD on the topic meditation and its impact on emotional intelligence, and that's why this video and the recent one, earlier one. I am foreseeing a situation where people will be emotionally not very stable. There will be conflicts, there might even be violence. There were reports that the divorce cases in the West have increased because people were not used to spending so much time and tolerating each other so much. While we Indians are very good at that, Indians believe in family systems, but the urban Indians and the kind of ambitions we are living with, it is also becoming difficult for us. So मुझे नहीं पता कल को ऑफिस में क्या क्राइम होगा अगर बॉस ने वही आदत चालू रखी तो चिल्लाने की। I don't know how much the employee will take it on because probably the patience limits are over, and it will be very stupid for the boss now to shout in a situation where everybody including him is under so much panic, but he might do out of habit and out of his own emotional imbalance. This might happen at home also, or might be happening at home also. The tolerance level on road, seeing the other person doing something I don't like, I don't know what will that amount to if the tolerance level is not maintained. And that is all because the emotional level is not maintained. I am posting this second video now on the same topic in very recent time. Why I am doing that? Because I want to talk about meditation. I want that people should follow meditation. Many people have started because of this whole time they are getting now and the need that is coming from inside. But emotional intelligence has a lot of benefits because of meditation. That's what my research has told me, and I'm totally convinced on that. So what meditation do we do? Any meditation. There's so many of them. I'll not talk about them. What I do is, in my training sessions on meditation, is what I call CCTV meditation. CCTV meditation is basically the meditation which is called Dhyan. It's been quite some time and I've had a good audience to do this CCTV audience meditation with me, and they're really liking it. That has given me a confidence to spread the word. Also because of the fact that this pandemic that is going to come now will spoil much more of the social system and the personal level than this, because here the death ratio of the total of people that we see is not more than 5%, although it is still scary, but this will be more than 50% if emotional imbalance is created. So it is very very important to be emotionally correct, and meditation certainly is one way to do that.